Myself, Harshal Nilgande Namade, lecturer in Mechanical Department at Praveen Patil College of Diploma Engineering and Technology. Today we will start with chapter number 2, IC engine and gas turbine. Learning outcomes. By the end of the chapter, the students will able to learn types and components of IC engine, 2-stroke and 4-stroke brake power common faults with remedials, type of gas turbine application, control of pollution. Introduction to heat engine. Heat engine is defined as the device which converts the chemical energy to the fuel into the heat by carrying out the combustion of a fuel. Due to the combustion pressure of a high temperature, hot gases are produced. During this expansion of these hot gases, heat energy available with the hot gases is converted into mechanical work by suitable mechanisms such as connecting rod, piston assembly, and cylinder used in the reciprocating heat engine. Types of heat engine. Okay, heat engine is classified into two categories. Internal combustion engine is known as IC engine. Here the combustion of the fuel takes place inside the cylinder, releasing the heat. Example: petrol engine, diesel engine, CNG engines. Okay, external combustion engine is known as EC engine. Here combustion of fuel takes place outside the cylinder, releasing the heat. Example: gas turbine, steam turbine, hot gases engine. Not hot gases engine, it is a hot air engine. Classification of engine. Okay, you may see the classification according to the cycle operation. I have written according to the cycle of the combustion, according to the fuel employed and method of the fuel supplied to the engine cylinder, according to the method of ignition, according to the method of cooling of the cylinder, according to the number of cylinder. Okay, and also in further part I have given in table form. Okay, classification criteria and types. Okay, so number of per stroke is 4 stroke, 2 stroke. Type of fuel is petrol, diesel, gas. Okay, nature of thermodynamics is Otto cycle, diesel cycle, dual cycle. Method of ignition: spark ignition, compression ignition. Okay, types of number of cylinder: multi cylinder, single cylinder. Arrangement of cylinder: horizontal, vertical, V type, radial, inline, opposed cylinder, opposed piston engine. Okay, components of IC engine. You may see the components: crank, crankshaft, connecting rod, piston ring, gudgeon pin, cylinder, exhaust valve, inlet valve, cylinder head. Okay, and there in petrol engine there is a spark plug. In diesel engine there will be a fuel injection. So component: cylinder block, it is the center part of the engine part, contains the cylinder which piston move and support the cylinder liners and head. Cylinder head, it is cover the cylinder block and support the valve trains to use admit, okay, and release the fuel of and air. Okay, crankcase, it is the bottom of the engine frame section, the house of the crankshaft. Piston is there. On the piston there will be two rings for compression rings and one oil ring. Okay, to avoid the leakage of the fuel inside the crankcase. Okay, crankshaft is there, connecting rod is there. On crankshaft pistons are attached. Okay, connecting rod, with the help of connecting rod, small end is in the piston, and the diameter which is big in a connecting rod, that will be attached with the crankshaft. Flywheel is the flywheel, it is connected with the crankshaft with the absorb the kinetic energy of a piston stroke for the smooth rotation of the crankshaft. Valves are there. There will be a valve, you may see exhaust valve and inlet valve. Okay, camshaft. Okay, with the help of camshaft we open and close the valve of exhaust and inlet. Terminologies are there, different bore, stroke, TDC, BDC, compression ratio, clearance volume, swept volume. Okay, 4-stroke petrol engine. Okay, petrol engine means what? An engine is a motor which converts the chemical energy into mechanical energy. Fuel: petrol engine. A petrol engine is known as gasoline fuel in the North America, as is and the internal combustion engine with the spark plug designed to run the petrol engine, gasoline and similar volatile fuels. 4-stroke petrol engine works on the Otto cycle at a constant volume. In this engine, mixture of the air and fuel is drawn inside the cylinder. Okay, it is a two type of valve represent. These are the inlet valve and exhaust valve. Four type of strokes are there: suction, compression, okay, power or expansion you can say, or and exhaust. Okay, these are the four stroke. Cycle is completed in two revolution of the crankshaft and four stroke of the perform. Each stroke consists of 180 degree of the crank rotation. Each stroke, four stroke petrol engine is explained with the help of individual sketch. Okay, sketch is there. In suction stroke, what happen? The piston move from TDC to BDC. Okay, at that time there will the pressure drop inside the cylinder. Due to pressure drop, the inlet valve get open, and as the inlet valve get open, whatever the charge, whatever the fuel and air fuel mixture is there, from it is sucked from the carbureted and get inside the cylinder. Okay, as the piston move to BDC, the inlet valve will get closed. Slowly the piston will start rotating up in upward direction. Okay, and it will compress the fuel, and that stroke will be known as compression stroke. It will compress the fuel at this portion. Both the valve will be closed, so piston will move from BDC to TDC. Okay, in this figure you may see that the piston is moving upward. The air fuel mixture inside the cylinder is getting pressurized and getting high temperature. Okay, high temperature, we are increasing the pressure and temperature of the fuel charge. Okay, as temperature get increasing, as some certain the spark plug get operated. As we get the spark, or the whatever the fuel inside the cylinder is get burned. Okay, the gas, okay, get burned, and the hot gas is expanded in the volume due to the high pressure and temperature exerting the downward force on the piston. Okay, it will move, take the piston to the downward from TDC to BDC. At the portion we get the power stroke, and this power, sorry. Okay, flywheel is mounted on the engine shaft, stores the excess energy produced during the stroke and supplies during the completion of the suction, compression and exhaust stroke. Both the valves are remain closed in the power stroke. Okay, as the piston move to BDC, okay, in power stroke, the exhaust valve get open. Okay, as the exhaust got open, whatever the burn gases are there inside the cylinder, all the exhaust gases are released in atmosphere to the exhaust valve. Okay, you may see the theoretical diagram which is given. From there is a one straight line, the suction line. Okay, till 1, from 1 to 2 is the compression stroke, from 2 to 3 it is the power stroke. Okay, in power stroke it will have constant volume. Okay, from 3 to 4 expansion stroke. Okay, and 4 to 5, the 4 to 5 whatever the line is there. Okay, that will be the exhaust stroke. Application of the petrol engine: motorcycle, motor cars, aircraft, motor boats, small engine such as lawn mower, portable engine, generator, etc. 4-stroke diesel engine. In diesel engine, it works on the diesel cycle, combustion at the constant pressure. Here the fuel is ignited by injected in the fuel cylinder containing the air compressed to the very high pressure, and the temperature of the compressed air is sufficient to high to ignite the fuel. Therefore, the diesel engines are called as compression ignition. Okay. A diesel engine cycle carries the 4-stroke incomplete 2 revolution of the crankshaft. Again, there are 4 strokes: suction stroke, compression stroke, exhaust expansion stroke, and exhaust stroke. In suction stroke, now in diesel engine, there will be only a air sucked inside the cylinder. Okay, as the air is sucked inside the cylinder, second stroke will be start. In second stroke, what happen? The air will be getting compressed. As the air is as we are compressing the air, we are increasing the high temperature and of the high temperature and pressure of the of the air. The air is getting compressed. As the high temperature of compressed air is sufficient to ignite the fuel, the lead of combustion at the constant pressure, the stroke is represented. Okay, the fuel inject the fuel inside the cylinder. As the fuel inject the fuel inside the cylinder, we get the stroke, and that stroke is known as expansion stroke. Due to the combustion of fuel, hot gases are produced and expand in the cylinder. Gas forces drive the piston from TDC to BDC. Thus, the work of the produce during this expansion stroke. Okay, the stroke is also called as working stroke or power stroke. As okay, now we get the power stroke. After power stroke, the piston move from TDC to BDC. As the piston move from BDC to TDC again, the exhaust valve get open. Whatever the gases are there, all that gases are driven out from the cylinder and released in the atmosphere through the exhaust valve. Okay, when the piston move from piston reach at TDC, the exhaust valve get closed and cycle is completed. You may see the theoretical diagram again in this process. Application: diesel generator, diesel source, automobiles such as diesel cars, SUV, ships, marine application, power aircraft, jet engine, helicopters. Comparisons: again I have given comparison for SI engine and CI engine. You may see point of comparisons: thermodynamic cycle, fuel use, air fuel ratio, ignition method, compression ratio, combustion, fuel supplied, calorific value, surface charging, supercharging, running cost, maintenance costs, range of compression pressure. Okay, applications you may study. Okay, comparison of between petrol and diesel engine. Okay, again there are some points I have compared with suction, igniter, types of ignition, thermal efficiency, space occupied, running cost, weight, fuel cost. Okay, working cycle, range of compression ratio, combustion temperature, application you may study. Common faults. Okay, we may see the common faults. Have taken first one is starting why there is a starting difficulty. So causes will be a battery connection will be loose, discharge battery. Okay, no spark at the spark plug, low fuel level, collocated fuel filter. Okay, starter motor. So what are the remedies also given? You may study. Second, I have taken the lack of full power. Okay, spark plug, coil, fuel filter, fuel pump, clutch, brake, lack of full power. Third one is the engine overheating. Why engine is getting overheated? Coolant, belt. Okay, inefficiency radiator. You may study. Detonation is there. Turning over the slow. Piston series. Okay, means piston series means what? On the piston, the carbon deposition gets. Okay, improper lubrication. Purpose or necessity of testing of IC engine: to determine the information which cannot be obtained by the calculation, to satisfy the customer regarding the performance of the engine, to justify the rate of the engine and calculate the specific fuel consumption, to verify or confirm the validity of data using the design, to reduce the overall cost, to increase the power output with the subsequent decrease in the fuel consumption. Purpose or necessity of test of IC engine: you may see the test of commercial test is there. So in commercial test, purpose to reduce the fuel consumption without affecting the performance of the engine. By doing this, the running cost of the engine can be reduced and achieve the fuel economic. Okay, in thermodynamic test what happen? To compare the actual perform with the theoretical result. And in PUC test is performed to known as the percentage of carbon dioxide, carbon monoxide, hydrocarbon. Okay, smoke density in the exhaust gases. Okay, three types of tests are there: commercial test, thermodynamic test and PUC test. Thank you.